Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First, if you want to change the straps on your watch, you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each side of the watch, next to each strap, you have this button basically. And how to release the strap, basically you need to press on this button, and once you press it, you will be able to pull out the strap. Quite simple, quite easy, and one of the best systems like this. Okay, and here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get the new straps on and you want to put them on, you can simply grab your watch, grab your strap. On the watch you have the hole right here, and you have this metal piece on the strap, and basically you need to put this metal strip, not strip, but a metal piece into a hole on the watch. It will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple, and to be honest, quite quick. Like that. And now we have our straps on, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.